So welcome for today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from engineering mathematics 1, that is trigonometric chapter, and today I will be doing the continuation of the trigonometric, that third chapter. Okay, the continuation of the introduction part, okay, the second part of it. Okay, the first part I have already given you all the link in the description. You all can just check to that. So here it is a plus b the whole square is equal to, take this important result, okay, a square plus 2ab plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b the whole square, and the third one is a square minus b the whole square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, and the fourth one is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b the whole square, and the fifth one is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b the whole square. Okay, you all need to know this formula because this formula is very important to solve the some kind of problems which I will be going through. So here next you all can take down angle in standard position. It is an angle whose initial side is on positive x-axis. Next you all can take down coterminal angles, the two angles which have their corresponding initial side and terminal side same. Okay, so these are the important notes which I'll have to take down. Moving towards the next part. Just take down this note that we get four terminal angles by adding 360 degree to the given angle. The second one is four terminal angles have their corresponding trigonometric ratios same, 30 degree, 390 degree are co-terminal angle. 60 degree, 420 degree co-terminal angle. For example, here you have one more example, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi are co-terminal angles. So this is the very important note which I'll have to take down, for it will be required. Here you all can take some important formula, a plus b the whole square. This I have already given you in the previous class. Sin square is equal, theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, now let us see one more. Then we'll see today about the ratio. Okay, table. This is the ratio table. See, theta is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta is already given, and 1 upon 2, see, sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 is 1 upon 2, sine of this 45. See, you all can just copy these angles, you all can just take down this. Okay, this I have already given you all in the previous classes also. You all can just take down this. Okay, based on this I will be giving you all these problems. I will be solving one problems based on this. Okay, the link I will provide in the in the description. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so here you all can see the trigonometric ratios of angle in quadrants. Like here there is, you all can see this is a quadrant 1. Okay, this is a quadrant 1 with a positive this thing. So here all the ratios are in a positive. Okay, and here the theta will lie between 0 and 90, and you call this part as an acute angle. Okay, so here there is a quadrant 1, add sugar to coffee. This is a very simple rule. This will be the first one. Okay, this will be sugar, S2, second one. Okay, see, for A it will be all ratios are positive. For S it will be sin theta and cosec theta, they are all positive, rest all are negative. You will call this as obtuse because one will be negative, positive. Okay, in second quadrant. Here only in first quadrant all are positive. Okay, now in the third quadrant only tan and cot are positive. Okay, here it will be both minus. Okay, this thing graph part. Okay, this is a negative because this is a negative x-axis, this part, and this part is negative y-axis, so all are positive, negative. Tan and cot are positive, and here theta lies between 180 to 270 degree over here. Okay, you call it as reflex, and this is the fourth quadrant with positive and negative reflex. Here theta will lie between 270 and 360. Here cos theta and sec theta will be they are positive. Okay, Now let us see read this part very carefully because this part is important. So we are talking about the first quadrant. Here the angle varies from 0 degree to 90 degree, has x and y are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive. Therefore, acute angle have all ratios positive. Okay. The second one is second quadrant talks about angles varies from 90 degree to 180 degree, as x is negative and y is positive. Ratios. Ratios like sin theta, cosec theta are positive and cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta are negative. Third quadrant is angles varies from 180 to 70 degree, has x and y both are negative. Ratios like tan theta, cot theta are positive and sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta are negative. Okay. Now let us discuss about the fourth quadrant. Angles varies from 270 degree to 360 degree, has x is positive and y is negative. Ratios like cos theta, sec theta are positive and sin theta, cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta are negative. Okay, so I hope you all are understanding the trigonometric ratios. So just now I was discussing about the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and the fourth quadrant. The first quadrant was saying that angle varies from, here you can see 0 to 90 degree. Okay. As x and y, here you all can see this is the x axis, this is the y axis. They are positive. Okay. They are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive. Therefore, acute angle have all ratios positive. This is an acute angle and it has all ratios positive. When we talk about the second quadrant, it tells that the angles varies from 90 degree to 180 degree. Has x is negative. Here you all can see negative x axis over here, this part. Okay. And y is the only one which is positive. Here y is positive in this second quadrant. Okay. So that's why it is negative and positive sign over here. Okay. But here the sin theta and cosec theta are positive and rest cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cot theta are negative. Then we will discuss about the third quadrant, that is angles varies from 180 to 270 degree, has x and y are both negative because here you can see x axis and y axis is there and they both are negative. Okay, that's why it is negative sign. Only tan theta and cot theta are positive. Rest all the ratios are rest all sin theta, cos theta, cosec theta, sec theta are negative. Okay, in this. Then we have the fourth part of it. Okay, in the fourth part, the angles varies from 270 to 360 degree. Okay, over here. So as you can see in this, so here the x is positive, but okay, the y is negative in this. Okay, so here only cos theta and sec theta are positive, rest all cosec theta, tan theta, cot theta are negative. Okay, so I hope you have understood these trigonometric ratios of angles in quadrant. Okay, this is a quadrant, right? And I hope you all can take down this, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.